Hi everybody, I'm Nidhi Chandan from Mystic Studio, and we are a fifth-time award winner Facebook also, and a 18-year-old brand. So in the YouTube fraternity, we are not new to the market. We are about 2.5 to 3 years old now, and today through this video, we are first of all telling the humanity to be safe. One, two, we are also telling you that we are into wholesale, retail, everything. And we are also Delhi Exhibition World Top 30. We are also started doing B2B towns wherein people recognize us as well. So आप हमारे से रिटेल सिंगल पीस भी ले सकते हैं, आप होलसेल का मिनिमम MOQ भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. So since we are in boutiques all over India, all over the world with our supply, please get back to us if you're a startup, if you want to stock up for your multi-designer stores, you want to stock up for your Rakhi and Teej shows, we are here for you. We are the answer. You need not buy a complete segment of clothes कि आपको पूरी गड्डी लेनी है. No, not at all. You can buy an amalgamation from us. Thank you so much. So सबसे पहले हम शुरू कर रहे हैं वीडियो with these beautiful quads, and these quads are special quads. They are pure cotton, lovely pieces, breathable with a cotton lining, completely a cotton lining. And we have sizes from medium to a good double XL. The price point for this special quad is 2200 only. Then we have this one, which is 1999. It's again a very rich beige color. Sizes are available up till double XL, and the price is 1999. Another quad is a 2199, and you can see the rugged look here. It's a very pretty nice quad, और बहुत ही प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है ये. हिप कवरिंग एंड प्योर कॉटन में है, रगेड लुक है. 2199. All the accessories included in the session are all inclusive. This is the lace, and it's a soft cotton laces है इसमें, हल्की फुल्की लेस है इधर भी और बॉटम में भी, और यहाँ पर आपका शिफले है, and a very rich kind of a cord at 1999 only. Another cord is 1650. A few sizes are available in pure cotton. 1650 only. That's our new range which has come from for exhibitions all over India, all over the world, and totally on the online front. You can buy for your stores, for your multi-designer stores, for your boutiques, for anything. Now this is also a special piece. You can see why we put neck pieces is just to enhance the garment. And the price point for this is 2450 only. It's a special piece. And then we have this one, and this is inspired piece, और बहुत प्यारा सा पीस है. प्योर लिनन है, प्योर लिनन का क्वाड है. प्राइस स्ट्रिक्टली ऑन डिमांड है इसका. प्योर लिनन you know is touching 800 to 1200 rupees a meter. So it's that sort of a garment. Then we have another very rich number. ये आपका बहुत प्यारा सा पीस है. एक का पैंट्स में दिखा रही हूँ आपको. It's got a Lucknowi effect and a Pakistani effect to it. So it's, अगर आप देखोगे तो ड्रेपी पीस आ रहा है ये. And we have two beautiful colors. दोनों colors बहुत ही प्यारे हैं. बहुत ही प्यारे से pieces हैं. Price is only 2350. And then we have a very special piece. It's pure cotton. This is all chiffle. This is again with a neck piece, and this is the lookbook of the piece. It's just pretty at 2350 only. Sizes are available till 46. Another one is again a travel quad or a easy breezy quad, and you can wear it anywhere, whether to a party or anything, to a casual get together at home. The price is 2199. Another piece. So this is also a very classic piece for the summer, and it's got a brush paint effect to it. And this is the look of it. It doesn't have a lining, and it doesn't require a lining. Please note it. The price is 1999 only. Another one is this. ये आपका crepe का piece है. Please, ensure that you're listening properly, that this is a crepe piece and a special piece. ये भी आपका 22.99 पर है. And now for people who like a little bit of embroidery, this is a very rich number. ये देखिए, very very rich number. इस तरह से शिफॉन की स्लीव्स के साथ इस तरह का पाकिस्तानी इफेक्ट है इसका. This was. So that's the look of it. Showing you a series of very nice embroidered cords, and this is very good for earlier taking for Tej also. Our minimum wholesale order is 12 pieces. We'll edit and mention in the starting also. And this is also retail, wholesale both. And we have these 3 colors in this. So ये मसलिन के प्रीमियम कॉर्ड्स हैं जो कि 2599 पे मिलेंगे और लाइनिंग्स आर इंक्लूडेड और मीडियम टू 46 मिलेंगे. एंड इसी के साथ का हम एक और कॉर्ड दिखा रहे हैं आपको. इसमें भी आपको बहुत सारे कलर्स मिल रहे हैं. कलर वन इज दिस मेहंदी कलर, देन अ टर्क्वाइज, and 4 colors we are including. The price is 2599 only. All handwork quotes. And we are also amalgamating some plus size quads, medium to plus रहेंगे वो, are these. So ये वाला आप plus size के लिए इंक्वायरी कर सकते हो. The price is 2450. Another piece which will go up till the plus sizes is this embroidered quad. बहुत ही इजी ब्रीजी है और एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड कोड है. वुडन नेक पीस से हमने इसको करा है. एंड देन वी हैव दिस वन, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी रिच क्वाड फॉर 2199. अनदर वन इज दिस ब्यूटिफुल क्रेप वन. ये भी आपका मीडियम टू प्लस जाएगा. प्राइस इज 1999 ओनली. अनदर पीस मीडियम टू प्लस जाएगा is this one. The price is 2350, pure cotton linen. This one is again available from medium to plus, and this is available from medium to 44. Price is 1999 only. Another one is a bohemian vibe. So our bohemian vibe is a very different vibe with this kind of a latkan and rugged look with a different cut to the garment. Different cut to the garment. Another one is medium to 46 available. This kind of a look at 1650. Another bohemian vibe is available till a size 42, and the price is 1888 only. And a single piece left in this chart is only 1495. 1495 only. And yet another piece which we are showing you has these kind of bohemian pants, a bag, and the price is again on request. And then we have this tie and dye muslin series. ये मसलिन के ब्यूटीफुल से टाई एंड डाई सीरीज आ रही है. ऑल हैंडवर्क आ रहा है, हाई लो आ रहा है. प्राइस इज 1650 ओनली. And now we have some chiffle quads, and these were really popular in Delhi exhibition world. So we have a series of these which are really pretty pieces. Completely cotton linings के साथ हैं. Back is cotton and इसका second look book ये है, और इसमें भी आपका पूरा कॉटन का लाइनिंग आ रहा है और कॉटन एट द बैक है, और यहाँ पर इम्पोर्टेड शिफले आ रहा है. सारा इम्पोर्टेड शिफले से बना रही है. एंड देन वी हैव दिस वन. इसके नीचे में अगर आप देखोगे तो नीचे में वी हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ अ पैचिंग. ये आपकी पैचिंग आ रही है सारे कलर्स में. एंड वी हैव दीज 3 कलर्स इन दिस. प्राइस इज 2588 ओनली फॉर दीज ऑल्सो. And the most popular of it all are these beautiful quads. Do not miss them with crochet. Price at the moment is 1999 only. Shipping above 1500 is absolutely free in the video, or you buy 2 pieces with us. And then we have these 1495 पे रहेंगे ये. 2 beautiful colors, 1495 only. Another one is a ऑल हैंडवर्क क्लासिक पीस, और ये मसलिन लिनन में है, ऑल साइजेस आर अवेलेबल. अनदर कॉटन लिनन पीस, सो ये वाला जो था ये आपका 2400 का था. देन वी हैव दिस वन, ये देखिए प्योर कॉटन लिनन के क्वार्ड्स है. प्राइस इज 2199 फॉर दिस. Another one is a crepe quad 1495. A few sizes are available. लेस भी जा रही है और यहाँ पर सारी एम्ब्रॉयडरी जा रही है. देन वी हैव प्योर कॉटन लिनन क्वाड्स. ये दोनों के दोनों पीसेस 1495 में है. सिर्फ इस पे गदाई हुई है नेक पे इस तरह से, और फंकी क्वाड्स है. Another pieces are 1295 only. 1295 only. इसमें नेक पीस is not included. 1295 only. So guys, these are rugged look kaftans and they have done so well with us that we've got you some new colors today, and that too in our YouTube channel. So these are 1495 and every piece is inclusive of a neck piece to pep it up. Like I have a wooden one. Then we have this maroon color and the different colors coming in. Then we have a brown color which is coming today itself. And then we have off-white, olive, and a black. They all look ravishing because I've worn it to clubs, to parties, to friends get-togethers. They look really nice. And these are 1495. Then we have these smaller ones which are like tops, and these are 1195 record. Then we have hosiery pieces. This one is a 1250 and this one is a statement piece. It is a 1450 only. So there's a difference between the two prices, and we make these kind of high lows. एंड ये हाई लोज इतने प्यारे लगते हैं, समर कूल है, प्योर कॉटन है और सीक्वेंस है इसमें कॉलर्स पे. सो दे टेक योर बॉडी शेप्स एंड दे आर हाई लोज. यू कैन वेयर विद योर ट्राउजर्स और वेयर इट ऑन अ बीच. Another high low is this, and this one is again a very pretty cotton mull piece, and this one will go up till the plus sizes. This is a 1250. 1400. I personally have the dress. It gives a very good bohemian vibe. 1400. Flat 999. Medium to double XL, guys. And this one is a 695. क्रेप में है ये, और मीडियम टू एक्सेल है, मीडियम टू लार्ज. Another ethnic sort of a piece, 695. Then we have imported pieces. Let me see. Imported pieces like this. ये आपकी ड्रेस आ गई. ये स्मॉल, मीडियम्स और एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल को ही होगी. रिंकल है, और इसके साथ मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ ऑरेंज रिंकल. ये दोनों बहुत प्यारे से पीसेस है 1495 पर. एंड देन वी हैव दिस वन विच इज अ 2400. इट कम्स इन लाइक दिस. 2400. You can wear it for your own personal birthdays to friend birthdays. 1888. A cowled piece. 1888 only in crepe. इसमें आपको there is margins. Another one is this, a easy breezy look. Price of this is 1250. Easy breezy. Another kaftan is this one. Do not miss it. This has got a wooden neck piece like this. Look at this. 1400. Medium to double XL, triple XL. Again, a very rich piece, and look at the beautiful neck piece. Price is 1100. Another one. Medium to 3XL again. Price is 888 only. Another piece is a small medium only. Please see that. The price is 795. Yet another piece, small and a medium only. It's a drapey piece. Looks very pretty and highlighted on this. 1295. A little Indian touch to the theme. Medium large. Price is flat 1000. Another one like this. Flat 1000. ये वाला आपका मीडियम तक ही जाएगा. And then we have another cowl piece like this. द प्राइस इज 1650, क्रेप में है ये भी. अनदर वन इज दिस, ये आपका 695 पे है, और ये आपका ऑर्गेन्जा का पीस है, स्मॉल मीडियम और लार्जेस्ट को ही जाएगा. 695 ओनली. अ ब्यूटिफुल काफ्तान वाइब ड्यूरिक्स. एंड इसके अंदर में इफ यू वांट वी कैन प्रोवाइड यू अ स्लिप. द प्राइस इज 1100. Another such pieces are 1100 each. Piece 1 with a slip, piece 2 with a slip, piece 3 with a slip. सब 1100 रुपए में you can buy. This one is a 795 with the beads. Again, you do not require a slip with it. This is a beach look. Definitely you need a slip. The price is 650. 650 again. Beach. इसका sorry थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा रहेगा because neck piece is महंगा. So this will be 999 and 650. This is 750. 750. मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ Pret Mystic Studio, and these are all premium crepes, and these are what are in the forefront in our Delhi exhibition world and are taken away by different multi-designer stores. So these are crepes and premiums. So that's with the divider. Another one you can see is this one again with the divider. So they are easy breezy classic pieces that you can wear for little sundowners and semi-formal occasions. So they are all sequenced and very pretty pieces. The most high on demand is this piece. Prices I have not mentioned, but the prices are between 3800 to 2650 depending on the style number. अब मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ ये 3 कलर्स इसमें से, और बहुत ही प्रिटी सेट्स हैं ये. They are available till a size 46 and are ravishing color tones and beautiful beauties. And then we have this one. This is also in crepe. Another beautiful black which I'm showing you is this one. Again with the divider. इस तरह से इसका हैंडवर्क है. And then this is in organza guys. और बहुत अच्छा beautiful work है. And here you go with the tulip pant concept. Tulip pant में इस तरह से लटकन के साथ ये बहुत ही pretty bohemian vibe है. And now a शिफले काफ्तान. So शिफले का ये काफ्तान है, बहुत decent number है. Price is only 2299 only. और अगर आप प्लस साइज हैं तो वी हैव दिस विद अ गॉर्जियस नेक पीस. सो मीडियम टू प्लस साइजेस क्रॉशा का ये है 2299 पर. बैक टू आवर ब्यूटिफुल क्रेप्स. वी हैव दिस वन and another one is this one. Look at this, and do not forget this one. It is just pretty. Look at this. बहुत ही pretty सा आर्टिकल है. Most high on demand. Another high on demand series is this one. Gorgeous, nice number. Going to a little color chart. This is a beautiful color chart. ये देखिए बहुत सुंदर सा with a bustier. बहुत ही प्यारा आर्टिकल है. Then this is a drape guys. इसे मिस मत करिए. And another one. Now these are also high on demand, very classic pieces. Tie and dyes है. 3 कलर में 2499 पर ही है ये. 2499 कॉलर पे काम है और बहुत प्रीमियम मसलिन क्रेप ब्लेंड में है और बहुत प्यारे से पीसेस हैं. Then we have printed vibe like this in a pure crepe fabric, पूरा highlighted. This one is 2888 and इसका bottom है इस कलर का. Then we have this 2888, bottom is ये वाला कलर. That's the look. Another one is with mirrors. Again a statement diaries. Bottom is black, red color और इस तरह की vibe है. Another one is this. So आप देख सकते हो कि इसकी sleeves इस तरह से है. Printed and nice. Another one is this. We have a good tie and dye kind of a piece. Here you go with 4 colors in this. इसके जो बॉटम्स हैं टॉप कलर के जैसे हैं, जैसे इसमें हॉट पिंक बॉटम है, इस तरह से एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड पीसेस हैं. These are in pure Chinon Georgette. Then we have this very elegant number. Look at the color tone. We have this one. Do not miss on to these colors. And then we have a sale on these crepe ones for a Mother's Day offer. ये देखिए क्रेप डिवाइडर सेट्स. कलर्स देखो आप, बहुत प्रिटी से 4 कलर्स हैं, टील, इलेक्ट्रिक ब्लू, रेड एंड येलो. एंड हियर यू गो विद द पर्पल वाइब, एंड आई थिंक पर्पल बहुत अच्छे से चल रहा है अभी. और इसके अंदर में आपको मिलेंगी 3/4 स्लीव्स एंड द एम्ब्रॉयडरी इज पार एक्सीलेंस. 3/4 स्लीव्स के साथ है. आप स्लीव लगवाना चाहो तो लगवा सकते हो. एंड देन वी हैव दिस वन. Starting off with these shirt series, and this is a translucent piece. You might need a inner with it, and the price point for this is only 888. Then we have this gorgeous piece. This will go up till the plus sizes, and the price is 1495. Another piece is 1150, and this will also go to the plus sizes. Medium to a XL, price is flat 1000. Medium to a XL, double XL, price is flat 1000. A beautiful chiffle, price is 1195. The size will go up till a size 48 also. And then we have these 2 pieces. ये ribbon work के साथ है. Price is flat 1000, medium to XL. Another one is this 999 and medium to 3XL. Another chiffle, ये आपकी good size 5XL तक भी जाएगी, medium to 5XL. The price point is 1250. Flat 1000, medium to a XL, medium to a double XL, flat 1000 again. Do not miss this denim look with birds. The price is 1400. Embroidered birds. Then we have this one. ये हाई लो पे है, बहुत सुंदर पीस है, 1250. A very nice lemon shimmer piece with beads, flat 1000. Do not miss this beautiful piece. I personally have the piece. It looks so nice at 1200. And here you go with a good nice white vibe, medium to double XL. The price is 999. 750, medium to 3XL. Small, medium, larges, we haven't forgotten you, up till an XL. 650. Funky piece 650. ये आपका साइज रहेगा up till 3XL. A crepe piece, medium to a double XL. Another one is this, medium to a XL, flat 1000. And these 2 pieces are only 1195 in crepe, medium to a good 3XL. And now some crepe diaries, we have this for 695. And another chiffle pieces are these. This is a chiffle piece, guys, do not miss it, at 888. Pura chiffle aa raha. 695 with the neck piece up to large, medium to double XL. Another shirt, price is 695 now. 595 में ये है, medium to a good double XL. And then we have this medium to a XL category with beads, 888 पर. 750, medium to double XL category again. Small, medium, large, 595. Crepe, 795 with whole jal up till medium. 850. Pura embroidered pure cotton, 850 up till double XL. 595. This one up till the 3XL. Another one is this, पूरी एम्ब्रॉयडरी के साथ है ये गाइस, 888 पर, मीडियम टू डबल एक्सएल. Another shirt जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ 3XL तक जाएगी, मीडियम ऑनवर्ड्स. Price is 888. A few sizes available at 695, pure cotton mull. And another piece is this, 650 per, medium, large and XL.